Welcome to Gwaan Dancehall with Lex, getting the best of the best and the real. Now we know reggae has such a land of many people across the world, but now it's officially on paper that reggae is now delegated as an intangible cultural heritage.
UNESCO for this initiative. Again, colleagues, I reiterate our deepest appreciation for the overwhelming love Jamaica has received for reggae music, which is a testament to its global impact. And therefore, at this time, I fittingly end with the words of reggae icon Bob Marley: one love, one heart. Let's get together and feel alright.
Senshia and Nyla Blackman are officially coming out with a new song, but they haven't came up with a title yet. Senshia posted this on Instagram asking the fans, what should the title be? Should it be Ready or should it be Champion Girl? The votes will be left up to the fans and we will see what the name of the song is. Spice releases a new music video for her song Romantic Mood coming off of her Captured album. Here's a sneak peek of that.
Now this is the original Spice on a backshot, lizard lap on hood top. Shuffle up the deck, me the queen in the park. Well, hear this, come with it. Now tell me which man ready fi hackle up me back. Me tell him shuffle up the deck, me done the king or the jack. Me no back from body and me no take back no chat. Art spear dark clubs, me are the queen in the
dancehall album from Rihanna is coming very soon. She registered 2 new dancehall songs, one calling Waistline Down and the other one called Nah Left. We don't have any information if the album is coming out or if the songs have features on it, but listen, by Gary, we're still out. The countdown has begun and it's officially 1 week away before Buju Banton's release. He will be released on December 8th after being incarcerated for approximately 9 years. But that is it for Gwaan Dancehall. Tune in next week for more dancehall entertainment.